Hey, this is Dylan with RepairSpots, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create an appointment through our point of sale system. So in order to do that, the easiest way would be to go directly to Quick Actions in this tab right here and go to Create Appointment. On this page, you'll be able to select the customer that the appointment will be tied with. We can either input a new customer or select an existing customer that's already within our list of customers. We'll just add this customer and we'll select a date and time for the appointment. You can go on the 14th at 4:30. We can then input a device that will be worked on the appointment and select the type of appointment that it is. We can add notes as to what the repair is for, if there's any reasons of the appointment that are very specific. If it is a mobile repair and you have to go directly to their address, you can put that address in this note. So this is our note that will be visible to us. And how long will the appointment last, estimately? So we can put 30 minutes and submit. We can add this note and the appointment to the calendar to have a reminder on the day and time of the appointment. We will select no for this option for now. Now we can go to appointments and we can see the appointments that are made. Here we'll be able to edit the appointment. We can add a number, add an email to the customer for the appointment. We can also create a repair that will already be directly linked to that customer.